In cinematography, top lighting, also known as overhead lighting or zenith lighting, refers to the technique of illuminating a subject from above. This type of lighting setup can create various effects and moods, depending on how it's used. Here is my favorite scene in Dune Part 2. Now let me analyze the characteristics of this lighting method based on this scene. Let's take a look at the characteristics of this scene. Let's see the direction of the light first. Top lighting originates from above the subject, casting light downwards. This creates distinct shadows that fall beneath objects or individuals, emphasizing their form and contours. Then let's see the intensity. Depending on the desired effect, top lighting can range from soft and diffused to harsh and direct. Softening modifiers like diffusers or bounce surfaces can be used to mitigate harsh shadows and create a more flattering light. Look at the contrast. Top lighting often produces high contrast between illuminated areas and shadows, accentuating texture and depth within the scene. This contrast can contribute to the dramatic impact of the lighting setup. So how this light is set actually? I simulated similar scenarios using Maya. Place light sources above the subject or scene. Then adjust the lights for optimal angle and distance to avoid harsh shadows. Use diffusion materials to soften the light, and employ modifiers like barn doors to control spill. Adjust the eye, intensity and color temperature of the lights to suit the desired mood. Coordinate top lighting with other light sources for a cohesive look. Finally, conduct tests and make adjustments before filming to ensure the desired effect is achieved. From this example, we can see that by casting shadows downward, top lighting can highlight facial expressions, gestures, and emotions, drawing viewers' attention to key characters and their actions. It can create atmosphere. The overhead illumination from top lighting can establish the mood and atmosphere of a scene. Whether it's a soft, diffused light for a romantic moment or a harsh, directional light for a tense confrontation, the lighting sets the tone for the narrative. Top lighting adds depth to the visual composition by creating contrasting highlights and shadows. This depth can make the scene more visually engaging and immersive for the audience. It can also highlighting textures. The directional nature of top lighting can bring out the textures of costumes, props, and set pieces, adding richness and detail to the visual storytelling. It guides the viewer's focus by illuminating specific areas of the frame. Top lighting can guide the viewer's attention to important elements within the scene, helping to convey the narrative and directing the audience's emotional response. In some cases, the use of top lighting may have symbolic or metaphorical significance within the story, representing concepts such as enlightenment, revelation, or spiritual awakening. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.